Hi, my name is Anthony Parkinson from Ansell Lighting, and this is the Prism Pro Anti-Glare Downlight. This, along with the rest of the Prism Pro range, is fully fire tested for 30, 60 and 90 minute sealing types to meet Part B of building regulations, as well as Part C, Part T and Part L. It has a low profile design and remote driver which allows for easy installation into shallow sealing voids, along with a detachable LED driver which is designed for quick and easy first fix installation. The remote driver benefits from an easy push to fit piano terminal with a maximum cable size of 2 x 1.5mm plus CPC loop-in and loop-out terminals, aiding quick and easy flexible installation. Specifically designed to be anti-glare, the downlight creates a more visually comforting experience for those within the space they are installed into. If this is within a home space or working on computer screens for a long period of time, the Prism Pro Anti-Glare provides excellent visual comfort, whatever the application. Delivering 7 watts of power and up to 500 lumens, and also has a selectable CCT from 2700 up to 6000 Kelvin, enabling you to create the perfect ambience for any time of the day or year. It is ideal for installation into residential applications, but is also suitable for offices, schools, colleges and retail spaces. The Prism Pro also comes with a matte white bezel as standard, with chrome, satin chrome and matte black sold separately.